He wants more from life, but he feels stuck and unclear. This is where success usually begins. His mind is full of dreams, but too many ideas create confusion. Without clarity, energy gets scattered. He keeps delaying what matters. The clock moves, but he doesn't. That is how good goals quietly disappear. Success is not random. It usually follows a process. Today, we will make that process simple. He looks at what needs to change. He knows the work is real. Now he must decide to act. This is where self-discipline starts. You do the right thing anyway, even when you do not feel like it. Step 1 is clarity. You must decide what you want. A blurry goal creates a blurry life. Most people want many things, but success needs focus. One clear target beats 10 vague wishes. He removes the extra noise. He keeps one meaningful goal. Now the direction feels real. A clear goal gives the mind something to chase. It turns hope into direction. That is a powerful shift. He begins to see his future self. That picture creates emotion, and emotion gives goals energy. He chooses one goal carefully, not the easiest one, the one that truly matters. Now the goal feels personal. It is no longer just an idea. It becomes a promise. Clarity creates confidence. He knows what he is aiming for. That is the first big win. Step 2 is to write it down. A goal in your head is weak. A goal on paper becomes real. He writes slowly and clearly. This makes the goal visible. It also makes the goal harder to ignore. At first, the words are too vague. That happens to many people. Clear writing creates clear thinking. So he rewrites the goal better. Now it sounds specific, and that makes action easier. He reads the words back to himself. The goal now feels solid. It starts becoming a commitment. He places the goal where he can see it. This keeps it alive every day. Out of sight often means out of mind. In the morning, he sees the goal again. That reminder resets his focus. It tells the day what matters. Writing it down adds weight. It changes a wish into intention. That is why this step matters so much. Step 3 is setting a deadline. Without a date, goals drift. Time gives a goal pressure and purpose. He circles a finish date. Now the goal has urgency. The mind starts taking it more seriously. A deadline wakes people up. It stops endless delay. It says this goal belongs in real life. Big goals also need smaller dates. Smaller checkpoints reduce stress. They make progress easier to measure. He adds milestone dates under the main goal. This breaks the journey into parts, and parts are easier to manage. Now he knows what comes next, not just what happens someday. That difference builds momentum. The word someday feels comfortable, but it usually hides procrastination. A real date creates action. With the deadline on the wall, the goal feels alive. There is now a finish line, and finish lines change behavior. Step 4 is to make a list. Big goals look scary from far away. Lists turn them into smaller moves. He writes every task he can think of. Nothing fancy, just honest steps. This turns confusion into structure. As he thinks longer, new tasks appear. That is normal. Writing creates clarity little by little. The list keeps growing, but instead of feeling heavier, it feels clearer. He now sees what the goal requires. This is the hidden power of a list. The giant dream becomes a series of jobs, and jobs can be done. Call someone, practice one skill, review one page. Small actions build big results. He even checks off a few simple tasks. That builds belief fast. Progress creates confidence. Now the goal no longer looks impossible. It looks manageable. That is a huge emotional shift. Step 5 is to organize the plan. A list is useful, but a plan gives order. He sorts tasks into what comes first and what comes later. This removes guesswork, and guesswork often causes delay. Order creates flow. When steps are arranged properly, the path looks cleaner. The mind relaxes when it sees structure. He points to the first priority. That is important. Success grows when you know the very next move. A plan is like a blueprint. You do not build a house randomly. Goals work the same way. Some tasks matter more than others. Organizing helps you protect your time. It keeps energy on the right things. Now he can step back and see the whole picture. The plan is no longer messy. It has shape and direction. And most importantly, he knows where to begin. Many people fail here. They have goals but no starting point. Step 6 is action. This is where most people hesitate. Thinking feels safe, but action changes lives. He takes the first step. It is small, but it counts. Starting matters more than starting perfectly. Now the work becomes real. He opens the laptop and begins. Motion breaks fear. He still feels nervous. That is completely normal. Courage often looks like working while afraid. Distractions appear quickly. They always do. Discipline means staying with the task anyway. He makes a mistake and fixes it. That is part of progress. Action teaches faster than overthinking. Something changes once he keeps moving. Momentum starts building, and momentum makes the next step easier. He checks off the first real action. That one mark means a lot, because now he is no longer waiting. Step 7 is daily action. One big burst is not enough. Success usually belongs to consistency. He asks one question each day. What can I do today? Even a small answer keeps the goal alive. Some days he reads and learns. Growth is part of progress. Skill often makes the goal easier. Some days he practices. Repetition builds competence. Competence builds confidence. Every morning he reviews the goal. This keeps his mind aligned. It reminds him who he is becoming. Not every day feels exciting. Some days feel heavy. Daily discipline matters most on those days. Even on tired days, he does something. One tiny step still counts. This is how real momentum survives. The daily check marks start adding up. Small wins become a chain, and chains become habits. Now he can see progress clearly. The climb is still there, but he is no longer at the bottom. He feels stronger because he kept going, not because it was easy, but because he stayed consistent. And finally, he reaches the goal. The trophy is nice, but the bigger win is who he became. He looks back at the whole journey. The steps were simple. The discipline made them powerful. It is important to enjoy the win. Reward reinforces effort. It teaches the brain that progress feels good. Then he starts again with a new goal. That is how growth works. One success creates the next level. So here are the 7 steps again. Decide, write, deadline, list, organize, act, and keep moving daily. Follow them and your goals become much more real. If this video helped you, write your goal down today. Comment with the step you need most right now, and subscribe for more simple animations about success, discipline, and self-growth.